Okay, hello guys, welcome back. I got a call from the post office that a pin with my address is ready for me to pick up. So I went to the post office to pick the AdSense pin. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because I know recently some YouTubers that got their channel monetized and they are at the process of verifying their AdSense account so that they will be 100% monetized, that's eligible to receive money from YouTube. Some of them have been, getting one issue or run into one issue to the other just because they can't verify their identity or their address through PIN or through the PIN troubleshooter. So one thing you need to understand is that verifying your AdSense is very easy, very simple, and Google gives like a period of 4 months for you to verify your identity, or in short, everything about submitting your documents in AdSense. Now, one thing you need to understand is that if you are not the type that is familiar with documentation and all those stuff, applying for YouTube monetization can be somehow tricky, because when you reach the monetization threshold, that is the maximum one of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours, even the lower, the 500 subscriber category, even when you reach that, you need to also set up an AdSense account. And what this means is that, like, your YouTube channel is totally different from AdSense. AdSense is like another account you need to have, and you need to connect it to your YouTube channel so that when you make money, when you are seeing that money when you get your channel monetized, you start seeing the money on your YouTube dashboard, that's your YouTube analytics. You start seeing the money. You can't get that money unless you link an AdSense account to your YouTube channel. So at the end of the month, it's normally a monthly process. The money will be moved from your YouTube channel to your AdSense account. So within a month, or during the month that within the interval of those transferring your money from YouTube to AdSense, you will not see any money in your AdSense revenue until that payment cycle is set, or when it's done. Then you cannot see the money you earned in the previous month. You cannot see it in your AdSense account. If you struggle, like, a lot of people, a lot of YouTubers, especially new ones, they have been frustrated because of this AdSense application or setting up of their AdSense account. Now, one thing you need to understand is that before you start setting up your AdSense account, or before you click apply, you need to know where you want to receive your money, the country where you want to receive your money. That country should be what you will use to set up your AdSense account. Now, some mistakes that like those of us that are not in our home country, like, let me say for example, a Nigerian living in Canada, some mistakes they normally make is this: when they relocate, they normally use their host country. That is, like, if it's a Nigerian, the person will use Canada as their country. Like, if you don't have any of the documents, like your host country, you don't have their government issued ID, like international passport, resident permit, driver's license, all those basic government issue ID. If you don't have that of your host country, don't bother using your host country. Keep using the one you use, or the one you set up with your home country. Don't try to use the one of your host country, because when you use it, when it gets to the point of verifying your identity, you need to provide the ID being issued by your host country. That is, if you use another country apart from your home country. So take note of that. Someone has lost like about almost $5,000 just in their AdSense account. He hurriedly created an account, and it was just to stay in that country for like 6 months or 1 year of that. And fortunately, a video or some videos on their channel went viral, and they made a lot of money. But sadly, they couldn't verify their AdSense account, though that money is still there. until they have to look for someone that they are going to use their identity to verify before they can get that money. So that money is stopped there. So in some cases, you end up not getting the money. Verifying your identity, know the ID you are going to use, the country's ID you are going to use. If it is Nigeria, you use Nigerian ID, like we have the driver's license, resident permit, national ID card, the other one. So you can use all that. Now coming to receiving your PIN, like this PIN that I have right now is someone's PIN. I just got this PIN from the post office. This is it, an AdSense PIN. You know, this is one of the troubles that YouTubers go through. So this is an AdSense PIN. So now for you to get your AdSense PIN very fast, most times Google will send this PIN to your country or to the post office, but just because there's no connection between you and the people in the post office, so that could be that could be what can even break you down. That could be what is delaying you from verifying or getting your AdSense PIN. So what you need to do is that if you want to apply, this is for those of you that are still at the process of verifying your address or expecting your PIN. If you want to, in your address, the address you use in your AdSense PIN, make sure that you add your phone number, so that anywhere your PIN is at, anyone having access to it or in possession of it can call you and tell you you have a password, or sometimes you can even tell the person to just open the parcel and call the number for you. You get the point? So instead of you trying different addresses, make sure you add your phone number. This is very, very important. A lot of YouTubers have reached out to me and I always keep telling them this. Make sure you put your phone number in the address, like immediately after your name, then you put your phone number probably in brackets, so that anybody that is in possession of the PIN at the post office can easily call you and tell you that you have a parcel to come and pick up. You get the point? So this person that owns this PIN, her channel was demonetized like since 2023. That is like almost 2 years ago, and she has been struggling with her monetization. She got monetized, but she couldn't complete her AdSense process. And many YouTubers are facing the same challenge. So if you're not yet monetized and you know that you will monetize very soon, just always be careful with your AdSense application. That could cut short your joy or your celebration. So when you get your channel monetized, or when you apply for monetization, just be careful with every document that you're going to use. Like for this person, she tried to verify identity, she couldn't make it, and she tried I think about 2 times. She got frustrated. Her channel was demonetized because she didn't complete the AdSense documentation within space of 4 months or so. So now when she reached out to me just like about some few weeks ago, I have now to pick her issue up, did the necessary thing, verify her identity, and also request for a PIN. And they called me today. Just within less than like a space of 3 weeks plus, the PIN has arrived. So guys, I just said let me update you on this AdSense PIN. It can frustrate you when you get your channel monetized, but the process is very simple. It's as simple as just follow the process, get the necessary documents. Don't think or don't assume. Watch my videos on this channel, because I think I have over 30 videos on AdSense on this channel. So I have a free AdSense masterclass, just free for the community. So take time to watch them, understand them before you click the apply button. That is very, very important. Now, if you know that you are earning big time, like maybe you are expecting a lot of money from your channel and you don't want to make any mistake, and you want a professional and an experienced person to help you set up your AdSense account, you can reach out to me. You can check my AdSense support link in the description, or scan the QR code on the screen. Just get my AdSense support and I'll be there. I'll help you apply from the application to setting up, linking your AdSense account, verifying your AdSense account, and make sure that you get paid for the first time. So guys, please, getting your AdSense account is, getting your AdSense PIN is very, very easy. Just add your number so that anyone in possession of it or who have access to it can call you, and then you can start the conversation from there. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll be going back to the office shortly so that I can enter this PIN for the channel. Well, I can incorporate it into this video, or I will make a separate video for that. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.